This seems very random, but there's a huge spider and a snake here.
You see, this color is not the real color.
Good morning, Internet. It is 8:30 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome here in Banyo in Cameroon. Now I am waiting for a breakfast. I didn't want to leave without a breakfast today because it's going to be another rough day. I heard the road that I have to take today is going to be tough. So I want to make sure I have enough energy to tackle it. Let me show you on the map where I'll be heading today. I didn't draw in the border crossing yet, but I crossed the border from Nigeria into Cameroon, right in this area. So I'm now here in Banyo, and I'm gonna follow this road down. It's basically the only road to kind of get to this part of Cameroon. And I'm riding to Fumban today. This was definitely worth waiting for. Look at this. Okay, let's do this. Before I leave Banyo, I think, should I get some fuel? Yeah, maybe get a little bit of fuel, a few liters. There is indeed no petrol station, but they should be selling fuel everywhere, because this is quite a large town. So they're selling everywhere from bottles. Bonjour. Essence. Essence. 2 ou 3 litres. 3 litres. Yeah, it's enough. Combien de francs? Combien?
2800.
Combien?
600.
6. Merci. Okay. Should be enough. Bonjour. Hello? Okay, I am ready. Now the sad thing is that I'll be descending out of these mountains back into the heat. So I must enjoy this nice temperature here for as long as it lasts, because it will be the last moments of nice fresh air.
Ça monte la route.
Ah, c'est la carte, oui.
Ça monte la route. Dès qu'elle arrive à Fumban, là, c'est que non.
Bankim, Magba, Fumban.
Mon village.
Malandouin.
Ah, you're from there? Ah, okay.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Well, so far the route is pretty doable. It's just really bumpy. So I can't really go very fast. But it's not so bad. If it stays like this, I am totally fine. Just looking at those clouds that I don't fully trust. shelter here. Okay, the rain has almost stopped. Let's go. Bye. Let's see what is left of the road. It wasn't torrential downpour, so I'm hoping it's not too bad. This all looks rather slippery. Ah, look at the truck. Crazy. Looks like it happened not long ago because the cargo was still there. Otherwise they would have already transferred that. How did it just topple over like that? It's a little wet every now and then, but to be fair, it's a lot better than I anticipated. I was expecting way worse, so all of this is actually no big deal. See, I'm going slow. Bonjour! Merci! I reached Phumban, I should say it properly. Okay, wow. This seems very random, but there's a huge spider and a snake here. Okay, I must investigate that. Look at this. What on earth? Hello! Huh? I'm a woman. Yes. Alright, let's check out this crazy spider snake place. Look at this. Wow. Seems so random. So it's a new museum, but I don't know if it's open yet.
This door is an old door. Old, very old.
Ah, this is the original door?
The making for the Joya.
Amazing.
Yes. This is the orchid. Yes. Orchid, the bamboo.
Ah, those are all the previous kings.
Yes. All king, all ceremony to walking.
Wow.
To see all the making for the Joya.
This is two snakes
Yeah, to see.
and a spider.
Yeah, the spider.
So this is the palace.
This is the palace. For the up, if the museum.
Ah, the museum is
Yes,
there.
this is the palace. You want to see the house for the king or residence for the king. This is the private residence.
The king lives here.
Yes.
Ah.
Private residence.
So I have just entered a little coffee shop. Unfortunately, in the palace, I wasn't allowed to film anything. Eventually, they let me take one shot of the palace, which was amazing. But the whole palace and the museum, it was super fascinating. A couple of things that I've learned. So right now, we have the 20th king of this area, but the 11th king, who was king in the 18th century, during that time the kingdom was attacked from two sides, from the east and the west, and that represents those two snakes, and the spider actually represents work. So the thought was to have a successful big kingdom. It's not only a matter of fighting off enemies, but you also must put in the work to actually build the kingdom. So that's what means the two snakes and the spider. But yeah, it was a really fascinating place. I'm now in a little shop and I'm waiting for some pancakes. So I'm gonna have a coffee and pancakes. So I was like, I'm not gonna miss this opportunity. I haven't had any of that in a while. So I'm now on my way to see some people that are working with bronze. You explain?
Yes, I will try to explain to you.
Okay.
This is the beginning. This is the material we use. This is the beginning, the mix of two elements. We have the sheet of the cow and the special soil. When we mix it together, it becomes like this. It will be easy for us to manipulate and form any type of object we like to form it. As you can see, this is the mold. This is the mold.
That's the mold, yeah.
When we produce the mold like this, we take the walls.
Wow. Oh. Yeah. Bonjour.
Merci. Ah, bonjour.
Bonjour, ça va?
Ça va bien. Et toi?
Bien, merci.
Voilà.
Thank you.
So,
Quoi, hollandais?
Yeah.
Yes, hollandais.
as I was saying,
How you know?
Yeah, ben, micro.
okay, as I was saying, this is the mold inside the thing. Then we take the walls. This is the sea walls.
Oh, it's like wax.
Yes, it's wax.
Okay. Yeah.
We cover the object with it all over. So when we cover the object, we now decorate our object as we like. As you can see, this head, yeah, like this. This is the mold inside. This is the walls.
The wax on the outside.
Yes, and all the decoration, all the details are there. You see how the object is? So when we decorate our object like this, we take the same soil. Then we put it all over. When we put it all over, we put about 3 couches. 3 putting of the
3 layers.
3 layers. Then we form the funnel. We form what we used to call the funnel. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is the funnel here. It links with the object inside the things. So when we put the funnel like this, it will permit the water to go out, to evaporate and go out. Then we take now the bronze and put it. It will now take the shape of everything inside. Okay. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Is there any question? Okay. So let us go down again and see the different types of food where we melt our bronze and the walls. You know, so you know, I can go. Okay, we have 2 fools. This is for the object.
Okay.
So we place our object here, we put charcoal all over to melt the wax to go out.
Okay, then the wax goes out.
When it goes out, then we leave the gap between the object and the first layer.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we remove then our object here inside this food, we bury it there. Then here is the full of the bones. We put the bones inside this pot. When we put the bones inside the pot, we then put charcoal all over, and then we set our fire. That will permit the bones to become liquid. Okay. Then when the bones is now liquid and the object is already buried there, we then take we have a material to carry the bones. So when we carry it like this, we go and push it inside the object. When we now fill the object with the bones, we take it out and then we let it cold. Then we break the object. We have now the bones inside the object. As those ones you are seeing there. These are the objects already produced in bronze. You see, this color is not the real color. We are going to put the real color inside on the object, so that it should be very nice to see. Like you are going to see the other ones already finished there.
You polish it.
Yes, we polish it. Like you have to already see, it's already polished now.
Yeah.
Then we are going to put the real color of the object.
You paint it.
Yes, not painting.
These ones are incredible. Leopards, yeah. I like these, are so cool.
You see this color? You know this color? When we buy the object, this one is 1 year and to obtain this color.
It takes 1 year to get the color.
Take the color. We bury it down there. It is very far, but you can go there. You know, the place is very flat.
Oh, you leave it there until the color
Yes, until the color come out.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, wow. These ones are even bigger. It's nice to hang laundry. Very nice laundry rack. Unbelievable.
See, this
The chicken?
the cow.
And so you leave it here to dry?
Yes, to dry.
Okay.
So that it should not be smelling too much.
Yeah.
Then we use it.
Perfect. I'm now in a motor taxi back to the hotel. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below, and then I will see you in the next video.